have a new color in Benchmade's Phaeton line. So this is the 4600-1. Typically this is a black anodized aluminum handle, and this is their dark flat earth. I just call it bronze. Dark flat earth seems a little unusual to me, and I love this satin blade. The Phaeton was already my favorite knife in their out the front series. I love the texture here. I love how slim it is. And I like the fact that it's not a dagger or a dagger looking knife. It means if you needed to, you could actually choke up on it and use this for everyday tasks, unlike basically every other out the front ever made. I just absolutely love the slenderness and ease of use on that one. And again, this is CPM S30V, nice high-end stainless steel made by Crucible here in the States. Benchmades are all made in the USA, and they use as much USA made steel as well. Check out the website for the current pricing and all the size information. Thank you very much.